Ready to transform your body from the comfort of your own home? Are you tired of expensive gym memberships and crowded workout spaces? You don't need a gym filled with fancy equipment. All you need is your own determination and the willingness to push yourself. We're about to prove that incredible results can be achieved with just your body weight and a little bit of space. Welcome to Lose Zone. I'm Amanda, your personal guide to a healthier, happier you. And today we're not just starting a workout, we're igniting your fitness journey together step by step. We'll be here to motivate you, encourage you, and celebrate every milestone along the way. This routine is simple to follow and incredibly effective, targeting all major muscle groups to help you build strength, burn fat, and improve your overall fitness. And the best part? It can be done right in your living room. No expensive equipment needed, just your body and the space around you. We're building sustainable habits, not just completing a single workout. We're laying the foundation for a lifetime of health and wellness. You have the power to change your life, to transform your body, and to unlock your full potential. And remember, we're a community here to support each other, to lift each other up, and to celebrate every victory, big or small. Get ready to sweat, to push your limits, and unlock a new level of confidence, strength, and self-love. I'll guide you through every move, ensuring proper form and technique to maximize your results and minimize the risk of injury. Hit subscribe for more incredible workouts, expert tips, and ongoing motivation. And let's get started on this amazing journey together, right now. First up, squats, the undisputed king of lower body moves. This foundational exercise is a cornerstone of any effective workout routine. They sculpt and define your legs and glutes, giving you that toned and powerful look. Squats are also fantastic for burning calories. Each repetition engages multiple muscle groups, boosting your metabolism. To begin, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, ensuring a stable and balanced base. Keep your chest up, maintaining a proud and upright posture, and engage your core muscles for stability. Now, initiate the squat by sitting back as if you're about to sit down into a chair. It's crucial to keep your back straight throughout the entire movement, avoiding any rounding or hunching. Pay close attention to your knees, making sure they stay behind your toes to prevent any unnecessary strain. Aim to go as low as you comfortably can while maintaining proper form and control. Then powerfully push through your heels to return to a standing position, engaging your leg muscles. At the top of the movement, squeeze your glutes to fully activate those muscles and maximize the benefits. Always focus on maintaining perfect form. Quality over quantity is key to preventing injuries. With each repetition, concentrate on proper technique and make every rep count towards your fitness goals. If you're a beginner, focus on mastering the basic body weight squat before adding any additional weight. Feeling strong and want a challenge? There are many ways to increase the intensity of your squats. Try holding a weight, like a dumbbell or even a heavy book, at your chest to increase the resistance. Remember to always push yourself a little more than last time, gradually increasing the weight or repetitions. All right, let's power through a few repetitions together. Feel the burn and embrace the challenge. Next, push-ups, an upper body and core powerhouse. Start in a high plank, hands just wider than shoulders, body in a straight line. Lower down, elbows tucked, chest a few inches from the floor, then press up. Too tough? Drop to your knees for a modified version, but keep your body straight. Want more challenge? Slow down the movement. Pick your version and let's do a set together. Remember to breathe and keep that core tight. Time for cardio. Jumping jacks. Stand tall, feet together, arms at your sides. Jump feet out, arms overhead, then return to start. Find your rhythm and keep it light on your feet. Heart rate climbing? That's progress. Need low impact? Step one foot out at a time instead of jumping. Keep your core engaged and breathing steady. Almost there. Just a few more seconds. Keep moving with stepping in place active recovery that keeps your heart rate up. March on the spot, lift your knees high and pump your arms. Want more? Try high knees or butt kicks for extra intensity. The goal? Don't stop moving. Every step brings you closer to your goal. Stay strong and keep that energy up. Final move, the plank. It's the ultimate core strengthener. Get into a forearm or high plank, body in a straight line, core tight. Squeeze your glutes and quads, don't let your hips drop. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing steady. Need to modify? Drop to your knees but keep your form. Push through, this is where you get stronger. You did it. Congratulations on completing the workout. Take a moment to appreciate your effort and progress. Feel the satisfaction of what you've accomplished. You've earned it. Consistency is key. To maintain your momentum and see real results, Aim for this workout 3 to 4 times a week. Make it a regular part of your routine. Pair exercise with a balanced diet, hydration, and plenty of rest for best results. These elements work together to fuel your body and support muscle recovery. Your body needs time to recover and grow stronger. Listen to your body and don't overdo it. Thanks for joining me. Subscribe for more workouts and tips. Stay motivated and continue your fitness journey with us. Leave a comment below and let me know how you did. Share your experience and inspire others. Keep pushing, stay positive, and remember, you're stronger than you think. Believe in yourself and you'll achieve your goals.